In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view posts on Reddit. If you want to quickly find the posts connected to your Reddit profile, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on the screen. To begin, go to Reddit. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Reddit homepage. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into your account, since the profile options we need are located inside your account menu. If you're not logged in yet, sign in first and then continue from the home page. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Reddit keeps your account menu and profile related options. When you click it, a drop-down menu should appear with several choices related to your account, settings, and profile. From that menu, click View Profile. This will take you to your personal Reddit profile page, where you can see different sections of your activity and content. Your profile page is useful because it brings together the things you've shared and interacted with on Reddit in one place. Once you're on your profile page, click the Post tab. This section shows the posts associated with your profile, making it easy to review what you've posted. Depending on your activity, you may see a list of posts displayed in chronological order or organized in Reddit's default profile layout. If you don't immediately see the tab, take a moment to look across the top area of your profile page, where Reddit usually places navigation options like posts, comments, and other profile sections. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the latest Reddit interface, but the general process stays the same. This is especially helpful if you want to revisit something you shared earlier, check how a post is performing, or simply to browse through your own posting history without searching manually through different communities. And that's it. To view posts on Reddit, go to Reddit, click your profile in the top right corner, select to view profile, and then open the Post tab. Once you know where these options are, it becomes very quick to access your content anytime you need it.